This brand is available through dealers in the USA and Canada. The Signature Series MAC16 models feature louvered metal panel construction, which is the best way to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage from lawn mowers, hail, etc. They have a durable baked polyester paint finish to keep the units looking good for many years and have a proprietary aluminum blend coil that resists corrosion. The units use MHT technology, which consists of rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow, and lanced coil fins increase surface contact between metal and air. The MHT technology ensures maximum heat transfer and efficiency while maintaining a compact unit footprint. The units have a compressor sound blanket for noise control but still have a sound rating that is about the same as a washing machine. The guarantee on these air conditioners is not as good as other brands, as it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure during the warranty period, which has pretty much become the industry standard. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.